How to check send friend requests on Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox. Click on More at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on More at the bottom right corner of your screen, simply click on Friends. In Friends, you will find all your friends in here. To see friend requests, click on plus button at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find all your friend requests in here. But if you need to search a people, you can simply click on search for people at the top and then search the person's username. After you've added their username, simply click on their profile. After that, at the bottom, you will find add friend. Click on add friend and then friend request will be sent. You won't be directly able to see the send friend request, but you will only be able to see if you have sent their friend request by going to their profile. This is how to check send friend request on Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more, got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.